I think we need to go to .m2. From .m2, we can open the CMD.
Yeah.
Java-jar, give the Lombok jar.
Java. In
Yeah,
starting,
yeah.
you type in jar.
Java-jar Lombok because it is so this jar is already there in our .m2 because in our founded XML we have already is there na. This one is downloaded in
Yeah.
.m2.
Dot M2 file.
So just running this jar is sufficient.
Yeah. Right.
So it is automatically recognizing, see, Lombok can update
Yeah.
your Eclipse or Eclipse based IDE to fully support Lombok features. Select IDE locations. So in my currently I have only one Lombok. Sorry, only
Yeah.
one IDE.
Oh,
It is
one
automatically
ID.
recognizing our IDEs. And tools that invoke Java C such as Atom Maven, Lombok works out of the box with Java C. Just make sure that Lombok jar is in your class path when you compile. Only jar should be there and it is recognizing by our IDEs.
Yeah.
Okay, just we can tell install or update. Install successful, man. Okay.
Okay. Then
Lombok has been
restart
installed. The
the.
selected IDE installations. Don't forget to add Lombok jar to your new projects. Exist and start your IDE. Rebuild all projects. If you start Spring Tool Suite 4 with the custom VM parameter, you will log into the VM args Java agent Lombok. Okay. Java agent as a Lombok. This is not required. Ideally, if you restart our IDE, it should start working. Na?
Yeah.
Okay. I am doing Qt installer. So we'll do the
Restart the ID.
we'll restart the IDE. Restart. Let's wait for.
And we can also verify from help that Lombok is available in ID.
Okay, that is okay. Lombok issues I came to know, but I faced one more issue also.
Again, from the
See,
CL.
this one is still not solved, man. Okay, let wait for.
You can verify from help.
Uh,
In help option. Help. And go to about Spring Tools for Eclipse.
Lombok is there, na?
Yeah. You can refresh the code.
Okay. 1 second. Let me force update the project. Alt F5.
Yeah.
Okay, it is sorted, man. Okay,
Yeah.
logged info is sorted.
Again,
Okay.
one error came.